What's up guys, Samsung's upcoming flagship the Galaxy Note 9 is nearing its launch date of August, and much like most smartphones these days, most of its specifications and design details have already been leaked. Now most of the rumors have been confirmed by a noted industry veteran known as Elder Morfezin, who managed to get his hands on a pre-production unit. He did not take any pictures but has confirmed several things we already knew about the Note 9's design, hardware and functionality. According to him, the Note 9 actually does look a lot like the Note 8 except some minor changes such as the rear fingerprint sensor's placement, which has been pushed below the horizontal camera area. In addition, a similar glass finish on a metal frame will be used. He also says that the Note 9 is noticeably heavier than its predecessor because of its larger battery. This also confirms early rumors, so it's safe to say that it will indeed run a 4000 mAh battery. The new battery, according to the reporter, promises 23 till 25 hours of video playback on maximum brightness. This is a significant improvement over the Note 8, which had a 3300 mAh battery instead. For the display, it's going to be an improved 6.44-inch Super AMOLED panel, which is more bright this time for improved sunlight visibility. The pre-production unit also had always-on display, but the feature is not fully ready yet, so it might get pushed to the S8 instead. The reviewer also revealed that the Note 9 will have exceptionally fast operations, and even the pre-production unit was able to outperform most devices that were launched recently, probably because Samsung improved the Samsung Experience UI with some optimized animations and other changes. This may be a surprise, as historically Samsung's TouchWiz/Experience UI has been sluggish and laggy. If true, this could be a major improvement by Samsung. It will be powered by Samsung's Exynos 9810 and a Snapdragon 845 processor. RAM size is going to be 6GB paired with 128GB of internal storage, but an 8GB RAM variant will also be available that comes with either 256GB or 512GB of internal storage. Samsung is also bringing some new features to the S Pen. Mortensen says it might have Bluetooth support and the ability to remotely unlock the Note 9. The latest stylus will have some new work modes and some exclusive ones too for business users. Still, these are merely leaks and Samsung might change several things in the coming days. The Note 9 is launching on 9th of August, so make sure to subscribe to get updated more rumors about the Galaxy Note 9, and give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed to saw this video. And yeah, see you soon.